Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Xiaomi Yeelight, and this is the Yeelight Lightstrip Plus. So this is the Plus one, and it connects to your virtual assistants, and you can control it with your voice once you've connected it up. Okay, so inside the box you've got 33 inches or 1 yard of light strip with a controller box that has Wi-Fi built in and your power supply. Okay, just going around showing you the box. You need the Yeelight app for this, but you can get that on the Google Play Store or the App Store, and there it is. So open the Yeelight app, and then you'll have to go through, log in, fill out your details if you're a new user, and you can control all of your Yeelight products from this app, and you can control some of them with the iPhone Home app as well. Right, so opening the box, let's have a look inside. You've got the Yeelight strip there, the controller switch, which has got a button on it, and then inside here you've got the power brick. Right, so it runs off mains electricity, 220 to 240 volts, and it's got the European plug on here, I believe, which works in Vietnam. Right, so let's connect this up. Okay, so I've got it connected to the power. If you press the button one time, and it will power on the device. Long press to change color. Long press again, and you can go through all of the main colors. If you download the app onto your phone or tablet, you can control it with thousands of different colors, and you can make it flash and do various different things as well. Control it with your voice. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Okay, Google, turn off bedroom lights. Okay, Google, turn on bedroom lights. Okay, Google, change color to blue. Okay, Google, change color to ivory. Okay, Google, turn off bedroom lights. Okay, Google, turn on bedroom lights at 10%. Okay, Google, turn up bedroom lights to 60%. Okay, Google, turn lights to pink. Okay, Google, turn off lights.